బీజేపీ నేతలకు దేశ అభివృద్ధి గురించి మాట్లాడే ధైర్యం లేదన్నారు కాంగ్రెస్ నేత ప్రియాంక గాంధీ. ప్రధాని మోదీ ప్రజా సమస్యలు పక్కదారి పట్టించే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నారని చెప్పారు. బీజేపీ నేతలకు దమ్ముంటే 10 ఏళ్లలో పెరిగిన నిరుద్యోగం, ద్రవ్యోల్బణంపై చర్చకు రావాలన్నారు. కేరళలో ఎన్నికల ప్రచారంలో పాల్గొన్నారు ప్రియాంక. కేంద్రంలో కాంగ్రెస్ ప్రభుత్వం అధికారంలోకి రావడం ఖాయమన్నారు.
That 2 sitting chief ministers have been jailed right at the time of the elections. Hemant Soren ji is a tribal chief minister. He has been harassed endlessly and today they have put him in jail as well. The situation is thus that Congress party's accounts have been closed by this government just before the elections so that we do not have the strength to fight the elections in the way that we can. Mr. Narendra Modi came out with a scheme called the electoral bond scheme. This electoral bond scheme was a scheme that ensured that whoever gave donations to political parties, his name or that company's name would remain secret. A case was put in the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court judged that this scheme would lead to corruption and would lead to biases, and so they said that the list of people who have given donations to all political parties should be made public. And the most interesting thing happened when this list was published. It was found that all sorts of companies had given huge donations to the BJP. Some companies that were earning around 100 crores had given donations of thousands of crores. Some companies that had got contracts from the BJP had given big donations. Other companies on whom cases were put, who were raided, who were pressurized, gave donations and those cases were removed. Those raids were stopped. So the situation in the country is that institutions that protect you are being weakened. Democracy is being weakened. Corruption is being made systemic. It's being institutionalized. And worst of all, the Prime Minister feels that he can get away with anything and there is no answerability.